We have a fourth dog, temporarily. I'm babysitting the dog, Ferris. He's a nice dog, mostly. Good boy. He knows a bunch of commands. Sit! 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 Okay, that's if he's not crazy. Yes, he knows something's up. I know. Yeah. And we have Muma out here, because she does not like him at all. Though, but why does this fluffer nugget hate that little snowball? Oh my god. It's just because, you know, he's big. He's bigger than any other dog she's ever seen. So, it's gonna take time. See, he's a nice dog. He's trying to be respectful. He's just curious. He's a curious dog. It's okay. Yeah, see, she's fine with Pepe. She's fine with Clemmy. She can beat up them both at the same time. But Ferris, no. Oh my god, watch this. Yeah, Clementine's gonna have some fun. Hey guys. Oh. Come here. Come here. Yeah. So even though this is supposed to be about Ferris, it's really about Muma. Yeah. Come here. Yeah. Yeah. Because it's gonna take a lot for her to get used to this big pupper. You're like, look. See how she's like shivering? Yeah, it's really bad, but yeah. That's not from the cold. It's from Ferris. Back to Ferris. Whoop. Almost fell over. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Let's go run with them. Oh my god. They're so fast. I can't keep up. Yeah, so they love running around. Oh. I'll review the footage for whatever just happened. I don't even know. Hey, good pupper. The best idea. I'm gonna do a time lapse of just them playing around for you to get exactly an idea of how much they play. Okay, so yeah, that was a bad example because now they're tired because we were running around. But yeah, just you can guess how active they usually are. Tell me I'm a dinosaur again.
You're a dinosaur.
No, I'm not. You're a boomer.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
A generator.